Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, go to Voice. Google. Or open the Google Voice app and pick calls or voicemail. Once there, locate the specific entry. Live call captures appear after you press 4 during an incoming call, while voicemail recordings are stored automatically. Make sure you have permission to record the call where required. If you pressed 4 during the call, wait until the recording appears in voicemail or calls. That's the raw file you'll save next. Once the file appears, tap it to preview and confirm the clip is the right one and audible. This avoids saving corrupt or partial files. Next, click the three-dot menu or More button on that entry to expose actions like download, save to drive, or share. Choose download to store a local copy or save to drive for cloud backup. Rename or add a label first if you want an organized file name. That way you'll find it quickly later. After you download, move the file where you need it. Upload to Google Drive or another cloud service, and maintain an external backup if the recording is important. Make sure file names include date and contact name to speed future searches. If you can't find a recording, first check the voicemail and calls tabs, then app permissions for microphone and storage. Also inspect spam or trash. Finally, remember that for live calls, you must press 4 during the call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.